Hello and welcome back to my channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so you guys can receive regular updates from my end and you guys can make regular profits. So when we were discussing the gold analysis yesterday, you guys can clearly see that I marked this area as the area of support and this area as the area of resistance, and given area of support was tested. So let me take that trade for you guys. So if you would have taken by entry over here, our stop loss would be approximately here, and our take profit will be approximately over here. So this would be our take profit of approximately 1.0%. Okay, and afterwards, once market continued toward this trend, and as soon as market broke below our area of support over here, then we could take a short entry over here. Our stop loss would be approximately here, so this would be ours. Okay, so this would be take profit. So this trade would have given us a 1.4% profit. And as soon as market tested our area of second support and closed above it, we could have taken a buy entry. So if we would enter over here, our stop loss will be approximately over here, and our take profit will be approximately here. So this trade would have given us a 5.4% profit. And afterwards, as soon as market tested our area of resistance and closed below this area, then we could take a sell entry over here. Our stop loss will be here, and this trade would still be running in profit of approximately 0.5 to 6%. Okay, so if you guys would have also taken this trade, so this trade would have also given us, would still be going in profit, or at least it would have break even. Okay, so now as you guys can clearly see that market has mostly remained sideways. So given areas of support and resistance are gonna remain same, and we will follow the same patterns. Okay, so let me move all the trades forward. Okay, so these trades will be moved to the next day as well. Okay, so something like this. Okay, so I just hope that you guys are vigilant tomorrow as well and you guys make good profits tomorrow. So just follow our given key, and I hope that you guys will make good profits tomorrow. And if you guys want to know anything further, just let me know in the feedback section, and I will try to get back to you guys as soon as possible. So yes. Okay, so see you guys tomorrow. Thank you. So just hit that subscribe button and do share this video. Thank you.